What's going on, guys? My name is Tony. Welcome back to Waterless Details. Real quick, we are going to be talking about what we just did on this beautiful 2024 Toyota Sequoia. This thing is protected from top to bottom, and let's get started on the process and what we did on this beautiful vehicle. First thing we did is we did a proper wash on the vehicle, and as well we decontaminate the paint. After that, we bring it to our clean room, which is this one here, and we start by doing a single step paint correction. Even is new, but unfortunately, whenever you guys pick up your vehicle from the dealership, the vehicle can be exposed to the elements. The vehicles are parked, on that parking lot for so long, like sometimes 2-3 months, and they receive all kinds of stuff. It can be from bird bumps, it can be like water spots, it can be all kind of stuff. So, and that's the reason why we decide always to do a light one-step correction in order to remove any defects the paint might gonna have. Follow up by applying a window tint on both sides, and also we have window tint as well on the front on this case, and as you guys can see, the car looks amazing. Right after that, we did a PPF. We apply PPF on the front of this vehicle, and that's pretty much to prevent, from rocks creating chips in the paint, and that is gonna preserve the paint on this vehicle, and it's gonna look new for years and years to come. We also apply a 5-year coating on the rest of the vehicle, and as well we apply the coating right on top of the PPF. That way we have those nice hydrophobics, which is gonna make it super easy to do the maintenance on these vehicles. The wash is gonna be super nice to do it. You guys gonna enjoy washing your own vehicle. But if it's something that you guys don't like to do, we also gonna offer you the first wash is gonna be free after we apply the ceramic coating. Not just that, we did apply a nice ceramic coating on the interior, protecting the leather, the fabrics, and as well all the plastics. Why we apply ceramic coating on the fabrics? That is gonna help, like for instance, if you guys have like a spill on the fabrics, that's gonna give you time for, wiping off any liquid. It can be coffee, it can be water, it can be soda, and all kind of stuff that you guys, that we can drop in the vehicle. As well, the leather, we always have a high traffic going in and out on the vehicle, especially the driver's side is an area where you guys can be rubbing, the jeans and all the stuff. So over time, if we don't apply any protection on the leather is gonna start cracking and all that type of stuff. So that's the reason why it's the best option to apply protection on the vehicle once the vehicle is brand new. Sometimes we can think, my car is new, it doesn't need anything. Yes, that's the perfect moment. That's the perfect moment to apply protection to your vehicle. So guys, if you guys are looking for any services like that, feel free to give us a call or just visit our website, waterlessdetails.com. If you guys are in South Carolina, waterlessdetailslc.com. So feel free to book your appointment and we will be there for you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one.